Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a story that's both incredibly exciting and deeply unsettling. Imagine this. The very scientists who laid the foundation for today's AI revolution are now warning us about its potential dangers. Is this a plot from a sci-fi movie? Nope, this is real life. This is the story of the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics. The Nobel Prize in Physics has been awarded to John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton for their groundbreaking work in machine learning. Hopfield, a professor emeritus at Princeton, created associative memory, allowing computers to store and reconstruct patterns. Hinton, often called the godfather of AI, invented methods for machines to autonomously learn from data. Their work has revolutionized everything from facial recognition to language translation. This is huge. It's like recognizing the Wright brothers for inventing flight. But what if the Wright brothers were now warning us that planes could be used for mass destruction? That's the vibe we're getting here. Let's break down their contributions a bit. Hopfield's work on associative memory, specifically Hopfield networks, showed how you could use principles from physics to create systems that could remember and recall information, much like our own brains. This was a crucial early step in neural networks. Think of it as building the basic circuitry for a thinking machine. Hinton, on the other hand, pioneered backpropagation, a technique that allows neural networks to learn from their mistakes. It's like teaching a child. You correct them, and they learn. Backpropagation made deep learning, the engine behind many of today's AI applications, possible. One key paper to check out is Hinton's 1986 Nature paper on learning representations by backpropagating errors. It's a game changer. These guys didn't just tweak algorithms. They rebuilt the foundations of how machines learn. Here's where things get chilling. Both Hopfield and Hinton have expressed serious concerns about the future of AI. Hinton even quit Google to speak more freely about these dangers. He's worried that AI systems will become smarter than us and eventually take control. He said, and I quote, "We have no experience of what it's like to have things smarter than us." That's a terrifying thought. Hopfield echoed these concerns, saying there's something unnerving about the unknown potential and limits of AI. These aren't just random internet doomsayers. These are the very architects of AI expressing their fears. This is like the head engineer of the Titanic saying, "Yeah, I think we might have a problem with icebergs." The Nobel Committee itself acknowledged these concerns. Ellen Moons, chair of the Nobel Committee for Physics, stated that while machine learning has enormous benefits, its rapid development has also raised concerns about our future. She emphasized that humans carry the responsibility for using this technology in a safe and ethical way. But here's the million-dollar question. Can we actually control something that surpasses our own intelligence? Are we building a tool, or are we creating a new form of life that could eventually see us as obsolete? This isn't just about job losses. It's about the very future of humanity. Adding another layer of complexity, Hinton has even expressed regret about some of his research, although he maintains he acted on the best information available at the time. He said he would do the same again in the same circumstances, but he's now deeply worried about the overall consequences. This is a powerful admission. It's like Oppenheimer grappling with the consequences of the atomic bomb. It raises the question, what responsibility do scientists have for the potential misuse of their inventions? Should there be more ethical oversight in AI research? These are tough questions with no easy answers. Now, let's look at the two sides of this debate. On one hand, we have the incredible potential of AI to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, curing diseases, addressing climate change, and creating new opportunities. AI could revolutionize healthcare, making diagnoses faster and more accurate. It could optimize energy consumption, helping us reduce our carbon footprint. The possibilities are endless. But on the other hand, we have the risk of job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. Imagine AI-powered surveillance systems that track our every move, or autonomous weapons that make life or death decisions without human intervention. The stakes are incredibly high. So, how do we reconcile these two opposing forces? How do we harness the power of AI for good while mitigating the risks? One approach is to focus on AI safety research. This involves developing techniques to ensure that AI systems are aligned with human values and goals. Think of it as building a moral compass for AI. Another approach is to promote transparency and accountability in AI development. This means making sure that AI algorithms are understandable and that their decisions can be explained. We need to know why an AI made a particular decision, especially when it has significant consequences. We also need to establish clear legal and ethical frameworks for AI development and deployment. This includes addressing issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for AI to be used for discrimination. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. We need to have a serious conversation about its potential impact on society. We need to involve not just scientists and engineers, but also policymakers, ethicists, and the public. This is a conversation that affects all of us. Will AI be our savior or our downfall? The answer depends on the choices we make today. The recognition of Hopfield and Hinton with the Nobel Prize is a wake-up call. It's time to take the potential dangers of AI seriously and to work together to ensure that it benefits all of humanity. What do you think? Are you excited or scared about the future of AI? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest AI news and trends. Thanks for watching. Hinton himself has called for governments to make big companies provide the resources, and the young researchers should work very hard to figure out if there is a way that people can stay in control. This is a call to action. He's essentially saying that we need a Manhattan Project for AI safety. We need to invest heavily in research to understand the risks and develop safeguards. This isn't just about slowing down progress. It's about ensuring that progress is responsible and sustainable. We need to prioritize safety over speed and ethics over efficiency. The future of AI depends on it. So, the AI revolution is here, and it's being led by brilliant minds like Hopfield and Hinton. But even they are urging caution. This Nobel Prize isn't just a celebration of past achievements. It's a warning about the future. We need to be aware of the potential dangers of AI and work together to ensure that it's used for good. The future is in our hands. Let's make sure we're ready for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. What are your thoughts on AI safety? Share them in the comments below.